This is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. Today we're going to do a bearded iris using Ning Yeh's ABC of brush painting as a guide. This book has several iconic floral subjects, and it's one of the early publication he did, so it's in great detail. So for beginners is a good guide. So I'm going to use the Practice Xuan, and the paper I'm using is the Practice Xuan, and then the brush I'm using is Lotus Petal. You can use medium flow if you have the flow brush, and then I'm using a pre-happy dot for line work, and you can use happy dot for line work. And the color I'm using the bright light. It's a very budget friendly color, and Sakura White. So I have vermilion with carmine, and then white, yellow with indigo to make the green, and indigo, and then the yellow for the beard. So one of the very important thing to use a combination brush is make sure your body is pretty dry. So I'm tapping on the paper towel, and then I wet just the tip, so I don't dunk the whole brush again, because then that will make it too wet. And so then first I load the white with a mix of vermilion and carmine, and there's more vermilion than carmine, and then on this section I have more carmine than vermilion as laid down as a darker petals. So then I'm going to do this lighter part of the flower. So this second petal is a little bit lower than this petal, so you don't want to be even. So never want anything even. And then I got two little ones to connect with this one. And then this one is even lower. And then the fourth petal on the other side is rounder, and then the lower. And then I'm connect with a thinner stroke on the bottom, and then follow this one with another stroke, and then I will have an extended lighter stroke on this side, and then a baby stroke right next to it. So then all my lighter stroke are done. So now I'm going to do my darker stroke. So and then I have an extension here to follow the darker stroke. So then on the darker stroke, I have vermilion with the carmine, which is more vermilion than the carmine, and then the darker color is more carmine and the vermilion. So I have two different shades. So what to do? This is a rounder petal, and then baby petal here, and then another smaller petal, and a longer petal here, and then I have here connected. I got two little ones here, and then I got this. And on this side, I'm going to have reloading my brush with lighter vermilion carmine, and then darker vermilion carmine, and then blend. And I'm going to do all right, and then I'm going to do the wing paddle on both sides. So make sure that you have one side is longer than the other, so you don't want it both like two arms the same length. So I'm going to do this side a little bit shorter. And on this side a little bit longer. All right, and then I'm going to connect this a little bit more. And then I'm going to rinse my brush off. And I'm going to load some white with indigo and then blend. Going to do the calyx to connect this too. And then the stem. So I get two little ones on the side to connect the flower. And then rinse my brush off. I'm going to load a little indigo with the green. Green first, and then indigo. Now I'm going to do a leaf stroke. Second leaf stroke, and then little one on the side. And on this side, a shorter and then a longer one. All right, and then I'm going to use Pre-Happy Doll brush to do some vein on the flower. So make sure that your brush is not too wet. So I have longer, shorter, and I got longer, shorter, 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 and I got longer and shorter. And then I'm rinsing my brush off, and then I got some yellow with a little vermilion. So make the yellow warmer. And then I'm going to do some little beer here. So then I'm finishing my iris from ABC of Chinese brush painting by Ning Yeh.